Here's to the hands that run this place. The ones that show up first, that open the doors, switch on the lights, and set everything in motion. The hands that build our machines, that assemble, check, perfect, that never leave until it's right. The hands that read the numbers, that turn rows of data into the decisions that matter. The hands across every table, discussing, solving, closing the deals. The hands that shape what the world sees, that plan, create, and bring every story to life. You see them every single day. Maybe you never stopped to say so. These are the hands IFB runs on.